Hot weather in the valley again today. Temperatures were over 100 over most of the upper valley from about McAllen westward, but it's starting to cool off now. But you know the way it goes here, we hit our hottest numbers kind of late in the afternoon. It's starting to cool off a little bit, but still in the 90s right now. 95 in Weslaco, 92 in Brownsville, and 98 in Rio Grande City. The heat is really going to be around the next few days, and the humidity's come up a little bit higher, especially in the lower valley. So the heat index is it's starting to drop off from a little bit where it was at its high point, but it's still up above 110 most everywhere last hour. Still 112 in Rio Grande City, but the heat index of 107 in Port Isabel. So, you know, we have the breeze out there to make you feel cooler, but the heat index has come up, more compared to the last couple of days with the added humidity. So it might feel a little sweatier if you're out there right now. You know, if you notice the skies today too, they're not super blue. There's a little bit of haze in the air. Still some patches of dust coming through the next couple of days. Some of that African dust, so the air quality is down to moderate for the most part today and maybe hanging in that range again on Thursday and Friday. So not a major health concern, but you know that's why if you look, the sky is not as blue as it could be. You look at the satellite radar though, nothing going on in the valley in terms of rain today. There are a couple of little spots of showers offshore and a couple of tiny little showers in the mountains of Mexico near Monterrey and a few more showers and storms near Del Rio. But you know, even when you look at these, they're technically moving in our direction right now, but they probably won't get much farther when they come off the mountain. So maybe some high clouds way in the distant sky here at sunset, but that's about it. Across the valley tomorrow, still near 100 and kind of hanging in that upper 90 to near 100 degree range, but just shy of the records in most areas the next couple of days. But the average high is around 97 this time of year. Future track shows upper level high off to the east has been meandering around Texas and Louisiana or so the last couple of days. Any storms kind of have to go around that high and up over it. So you see showers and storms occasionally in North Texas and Arkansas and Oklahoma, but high pressure keeps us hot too. As that high comes back over us, so I think it'll kill off the breeze a little more by Friday and Saturday. So not quite as breezy then. I think winds tomorrow could still gust up maybe around 30 miles per hour at times, but then by Friday and Saturday, not quite as gusty, which may make you feel a little hotter. By late in the weekend, you see a little disturbance push on the screen here. Nothing tropical, but a little weak upper level disturbance, or as I misspelled it, upper leave disturbance coming at us. It comes at us. We'll show you that more later in the hour coming up on the European model, but it may bring a couple of small chances for a shower by early next week. Now you look at future track and it's looking dry and clear tonight. By tomorrow, hot and breezy with sunshine around and temperatures about where they were today, right around the upper 90s and lower 100s. By the time we get to Friday, again, maybe not as breezy that day, but still just about as sunny, and that means just about as hot. Future track tries to show maybe one sea breeze shower on Friday. I think that's overdone. I think overall the moisture is not thick enough in the atmosphere to build up any showers. So for the most part, it looks hot and dry through the weekend. Now at the coast, if you are headed there for the day on Thursday, if you have the summer off, you don't have too many more days before school kicks in or work. So get out there tomorrow with temperatures near 90 in the afternoon. The wind's not quite as gusty tomorrow at the coast, but still a 15 to 20 mile per hour breeze is a good bet at the coast during the afternoon. A high tide in the early morning hours, a low tide later in the evening at 6:03, and water temperatures in the bay around 84 degrees and seas of 3 to 5 feet. So tonight down to about 80 for a low tonight. That's definitely not sleep outside type of weather. No camping tonight. Back up to around 100 tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies, breezy and hot again. Pretty much similar to today's weather. Breezes gust to about 30 miles per hour here and there in the afternoon hours. First 1-5-7-day forecast. Really, there's not a lot of swing in the temperature here for a while. We'll be up in the upper 90s and lower 100s as we approach the weekend. The only noticeable change between now and the weekend is we probably won't be quite as breezy Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Next week, again, we'll show you this next half hour coming up, but some of the models do have a weak upper level disturbance kind of crossing the area by around Tuesday or Wednesday. That could bring back a couple of sea breeze type showers maybe here and there in the afternoon, about a 10 or 15% chance for rain. So we'll be watching for those shower chances coming up in your first 1-5 forecast here later next hour.